Mayabazar. Mayabazar film, the most popular film, a lot of viewers who had in Telugu film. That's the film. In the 100 years of journey of Telugu film industry, a remarkable history which was created by the film. That name is Mayabazar. If such name comes, all are popular actors. K.V. Reddy, Chakrapani, right? Nagi Reddy garu, all are great people, right? Marcus Bartley and Ghantasala music and beautiful singers, melodious singers and great artists. Completely together is Mayabazar film. Okay, if you mix it with all, output if it comes, that is the film of Mayabazar. So, the dialogues written by Mr. Pingali Nagendra Rao. The dialogues in this film, not only dialogues, even he wrote lyrics also to the songs, beautiful songs. Still today also, they are very, very popular. But the same of the people hearing or using in their conversations every day. Till today also most of the people hear these songs. If not, those became a part of Telugu life. Thereafter, Shishirika's ne Ghatotkachas Manadi Sodara Prema. So, one great dialogue in this film is Manadi Sodara Prema. Manadi Sodara Prema. Savitri used to speak. When she has come to the house of Ghatotkcha, even S.V. Rangarao, he will be in the place of Savitri, and Savitri used to come to the place of Ghatotkcha. Then S.V. Rangarao garu, in disguise, he will act as Savitri. And he will go to A.L.R. and he says, Sodara Manadi Sodara Prema. Manadi Sodara Prema. Sodara Prema means brother relation. Now we are both our brothers. Savitri will speak to A.N.R. Then he will scold. Arey, why you are talking like that? How our relation will be the brother relation? So, Manadi Sodara Prema became immortalized as much as Suryakantam's Anta Alamalve Kada, and which has been a way of life in greeting people. So, Anta Alamalve Kada. So, Anta, we are all together. See, those were the dialogues written by Pingali garu, are absolutely exact Telugu dialogues. Originated there. It is not originated Telugu. Absolute Telugu. Right Telugu words. As for songs, Ahana Pelliyanta still reverberates in marriages, and Vivaha Bhojanambu is at another must. See, Ahana Pelliyanta and Vivaha Bhojanambu. Vithaina Vantakambu. Songs are very popular till today. If any marriage will be held, you might have heard these songs. They are very popular. As an entire reporter was added to the Telugu dictionary by the film. Take for example, Talpam, used for denoting a cot or bed. Talpam. Do you know Talpam means bed? Talpam in a sense bed where we sleep, that is called Talpam. Exact Telugu word, that is called Talpam. And but Telugu is using Gilpam as an antonym of it still in the movies Advent. So Gilpam, actually when this comes, to stop the marriage, they will have do many things. So in the process of that, they will ask Gilpam, I need Gilpam, go and get Gilpam. So Gilpam in a sense what? Quite opposite word to Talpam. Talpam in a sense bed. Gilpam means opposite word to bed. So not did anyone tell so emphatically until Ghatotkcha that evaru puttichinapudige maatale pudatai, and hence the friends are to be called Asamadiyulu and Asamadiyulu means Pandavas. Tasamadiyulu means Kauravas. Asamadiyulu means Pandavas, powerful people. Tasamadiyulu means Kauravas. 101 people are there now, including the girl, 100 members. So they are Kauravas and they are Tasamadiyulu. Asamadiyulu means Pandavas, powerful people. Okay, so Ghatotkcha, he was the son of Bhima. So he had supported the Pandavas, right? Definitely Pandavas and Kauravas, even though they are the brother relations, they are cousins, they have a lot of enmity between them. who was one of the son of Pandavas. Asamadhiyalu, the enemies could be termed as Rasamadhiyalu. Will anyone forget the expression Vayyandira Veediko Veeratadu? So, this is a dialogue of SVR. We will say every time Vayyandira Veediko Veeratadu means what? If any person who want to fight, who would like to fight with Pandavas, they will say this word Vayyandira Veediko Veeratadu, and no expectation to hi Sodara, hi Nayaka. So even we don't say hi and bye. Those days, of course, such dialogues will not be absolute Telugu, no. So if anybody we want to wish, they should say hi Nayaka. So if any great man comes, if any great person will come, they will say hi Nayaka. Okay, see the words which they have been involved in this film. What a fantastic one! The story itself is woven around the love of Shishireka Abhimanyu. So the love between Shishireka and Abhimanyu, they are relatives, and that the eligible girl and boy had to be married. A blood relation. There will be a blood relation to Abhimanyu and Shishireka. Okay. So Abhimanyu, he would like to marry his uncle's daughter Balarama. Shishireka's father was Balarama. Okay. Who was Balarama? Brother of Lord Krishna. So they have from their childhood, they have a word to note that these two people had to be married. But the situations will be turned out. All the Pandavas, they will lose their wealth. They used to lose their wealth, their kingdom, money, everything they will lose. Then Shishireka's parents will be opposed to marry Abhimanyu. They did approve to marry Abhimanyu to be married of Shishireka. With Krishna and Balarama having difference of opinion over it, their wives too take sides as inevitable in any family. To introduce the theme, the director issues a magic box, an equivalent of a TV screen, which displays whatever is dear to the viewer's heart. Okay? There will be a magic box. There will be a magical box. If you see the film, you will see it. A magic box it will be like a TV. It will be like a TV. If they open, if they open, they can see whatever they like. If I will open, whatever I like, it will be shown. If you open, whatever you like, it will be shown. So like that, whoever they open, it will be shown on. Shishireka naturally sees Abhimanyu and Balarama, gets to see his Sishya Duryodhana on it. So what Shishireka, when she see, whom she will see? Of course she likes Abhimanyu. That's why she will see Abhimanyu in that. What will she see? When she opens, she will see Abhimanyu. But when Balarama opens it, he will see Duryodhana, the eldest son of Kauravas. Who was the eldest son? The center point to Kauravas is Duryodhana only. So Balarama is the guru to Duryodhana. And to Balarama, Duryodhana is a favorite person. He's like a devotee. To Duryodhana, Balarama is a devotee. His wife laughs at the sight of an array of jewelry, and audience laughed heartily because they knew that someone back home was equally attached to these riches. So everybody they will watch. Everybody will watch. Krishna and Shishireka, Balarama, everybody they will watch. In the same way, Balarama's wife also, she will see. When she opens, she will see jewelry. Ladies means everybody they like jewelry now. So when she opened that box, magical box, she will find the complete jewelry in that. So everybody will laugh. Oh, woman, right? So quite naturally she likes jewels. When Balarama curtly tells his sister Subhadra, Agadalu, Agayityalu, Naku Panikiramu. So Agadalu, Agayityalu, Naku Panikiramu. When he will say, because first Balarama promised his sister Subhadra that I will definitely allow your son to marry my daughter. means Shashireka and Abhimanyu marriage will be sure. He will give a word to his sister. But when Pandavas, when they lost their wealth, kingdom, he will change his word because of his wife. His wife will force him. No, now Pandavas now presently they don't have any money and they don't have any kingdom. So if you allow our daughter to marry them, now how will she live? Then in this while, what role Duryodhana will play? He will mesmerize with his words to Balarama, and he will take the promise of Balarama to marry his daughter to his son. Duryodhana, now he will allow his son to marry Shishireka. He will take that word from Balarama. He will change his mind. So that's why he will say, Agadalu, Aga Maku Panikiravu. He will say this word to Subhadra. And when he was confronted with his latest indignation at his decision to separate Shishireka and Abhimanyu. Why he will say that? Because he would like to separate now Shishireka and Abhimanyu. Now he is going to separate Shishireka and Abhimanyu. Women folk among the viewers sighed, recalling their own tribulations in the hands of such brothers. Actually, if such scene, if you will see, in some families also these situations will be held. Right? When they are very good, we will say, I will give my daughter to you and I will take your son. Like that promises we will do. For example, if situation turned over, if their economical condition comes down, we'll change our words. Now at the time they are very good, then I agree. Now they don't have anything. Why I should give? Situation will come, is not it? So reality they have shown in the film. Even Balarama, when he was good or bad, he had given a word to Subhadra. To his sister he gave a word. Definitely I will give my daughter to you. I will allow my daughter Shishireka to marry Abhimanyu, he said. But when Pandavas, when they lost their money, he changed the word. That's what, even in our human relations also, it happens sometimes, is not it? Okay? Frame after frame impacts viewers with similarities. The greatness of the director lies here. To whom this credit goes? Definitely K.V. Reddy garu. 100%. Okay? He successfully reduces all the characters to ordinary mortals, displaying all the follies of human beings except Ghatotkacha and Krishna. And then he injects into the Yadava household a Telugu atmosphere filled with its mild imagery, adage, sarcasm and wit. So everything will be in this. Particularly Yadava tradition, how the customs they follow in the aspects of Yadava, because Balarama and Krishna, they are Yadavas. What type of traditions they follow and how that happened. Everything, the scenes between Pandavas and Kauravas, particularly the scenes which are related to Ghatotkacha and Krishna, what scenes are held, those they have shown very, very clearly in this film. The result, a feast for the eyes and soul. Maya Biza film, it is a feast. Yeah, feast only. Feast in the sense what we like, if it is before our eyes, that is called feast. Right? A good food is a feast to the tongue. What is a good feast to the eyes? A good film. Yeah, Maya Bazaar film is a good feast to the eyes. That is Maya Bazaar for you. Yeah, not only for you, me and to everybody. Mind you, this is the story of Pandavas and Kauravas with the Yadavas pitching in. So, this is the center part of the film related to Pandavas, Kauravas and Yadavas. Okay? Pandavas, Kauravas and Yadavas, Mahabharata and Shishireka Parinayam. Maya Bazaar film is a combination of Mahabharata and Shishireka Parinayam. Okay? But one never sees the Pandavas throughout the film. We only hear of them. But in the film of Maya Bazaar, we don't see the characters of Pandavas. Pandavas names used to come. Pandavas related characters used to be. But we don't see the characters of Pandavas. And if any NRI asks you to suggest ways to teach Telugu culture, just ask him or her to introduce them to Maya Bazaar first. If any foreigner, if they would like to know about Indian has to see the movie of Manasa. You will never understand what is our Indian culture, what is our Indian tradition, what are our Indian customs. They will understand it. Further, if they seek to know about their uncles and aunts and cousins back home, bring in their names. Look, this is your Balarama. So, actually, after seeing the film, the relation between Balarama and Krishna, because brothers, great brothers, good understanding, right? See, your brother also is Balarama, your brother also is like Krishna, means accepting, good brothers. Such characters we used to receive in them. Any better way of doing it, then onwards it's all lahiri 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 lo. So completely it is a film of lahiri 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 lo. Lahiri 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 lo. It's a song at night time, sailing on a ship, sailing on a boat, hero and heroine when they go for a night ride in a boat, if they go, when they were in love, when they were going like that, it is a song. Lahiri Lahiri Lo. So, a beautiful choreography, a beautiful music and a beautiful cinematography. Marcus Bartley's cinematography, Ghantasala Gari music, and the last, but not the least, Mr. K.V. Reddy's direction. The man who had directed number of films. If you see the film of Mahanati, of course you can't see exactly who is K.V. Reddy, who is Chakrapani and Nagiredi garu. But these people are the toughest people. Yeah, they don't accept anything. Not single take making is very difficult under these directors. Single take making is very difficult under this direction. Very toughest direction. So with this all, Maya Bazaar is the most beautiful film. Fantastic film, students. We have completed the film. And I think you will watch the movie. If you don't watch the movie, please watch it. Definitely you will like it. Definitely you will like it. Present days, violence and also vulgarity. You don't find it in any way. 0.00% or 1% also you don't find it in this film. Such a beautiful film. Don't blame the guy. It is an old movie. It is an old movie. Old is good. That this movie will prove you. A very beautiful film. Watch it. You will know what are these dialogues. Agadalu, Miku Maku Satyam Karu, Sodara Prema, Manaki Sodara Prema, Kasamadiyulu, Asamadiyulu, Veyara Viratadu. So these all dialogues when they had come, how they spoke, what are the characters of Gatotkacha, what is an importance of Shishreka and Abhimanyu, how the marriage was held, everything you will know, students. Okay? Thank you. And here we have come to the end of the film of Maya Bazaar. Now write the questionnaires of 4B in class. Actually, apart from this, I have to give you the homework, but I am giving you this as a part of homework. Don't neglect it. Write the notes in a proper way. Okay, students? Thank you so much. Here we have come to the end of the movie with an introduction and detailed manner we had known about the movie of Maya Bazaar. Thank you so much. I will meet our next video with a new lesson. Be careful, stay healthy, and wear mask when you go outside. Okay? Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.